Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki that teaches readers about financial literacy and how to achieve financial independence. The book is a personal account of Kiyosaki's upbringing and the lessons he learned from his two father figures, his biological father Poor Dad and his best friend's father Rich Dad. Kiyosaki explains how his poor dad, a highly educated man with a steady paycheck, struggled financially and lived paycheck to paycheck. In contrast, his rich dad, who had less formal education but was a successful entrepreneur, achieved financial independence and lived a comfortable life. Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial education is not taught in schools, and that it is essential to learn how to create assets that generate passive income. One of the key concepts in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki explains that assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. He encourages readers to invest in assets that generate income, such as rental properties or stocks, and to minimize liabilities, such as credit card debt or car loans. Kiyosaki also stresses the importance of financial intelligence, which includes understanding accounting, investing, and taxes. He explains that the rich use debt to their advantage by investing in assets that generate income and reducing their tax liabilities. The poor and middle class, on the other hand, often use debt to purchase liabilities that do not generate income and end up paying more in taxes. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki provides practical advice on how to achieve financial independence, such as creating a plan, taking calculated risks, and learning from failures. He also encourages readers to challenge their limiting beliefs and to adopt a mindset of abundance and opportunity. In conclusion, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. Kiyosaki's personal story and practical advice provide readers with a roadmap for achieving financial independence and creating a life of abundance.